Thank you. Today we will present our work entitled Single Search Investigation of Various Search in Recent Swamp-based Meta-heuristic. So let me present my work. I will start my PowerPoint first. Okay, we go to the full screen. Okay, we start the presentation. The title is Single Search Investigation of Various Search in Recent Swamp-based Meta-heuristic. This paper is written by Purba Darukusuma and with me and Asri Dini Maharawati uh, from Department of Computer Engineering, Telkom University, Bandung, Indonesia. The background is first, Swarm Intelligence is a popular stochastic optimization. Then, the second background, the popularity of the employment of swarm intelligence is also correlated with the massive development of swarm intelligence. Third, directed search become the backbone of the searching method. Fourth, many recent swarm intelligence or swarm-based meta-heuristic were developed by employing multiple search. Problem statement, there are three problem statements. First, one problem in this massive development of meta-heuristic is that the evaluation of each search in many studies is hard to find. In many of the studies, the focus of the evaluation is assessing the performance of the proposed meta-heuristic as a single package in solving the problem and the superiority of this meta-heuristic compared to their competitors. Third, these circumstances make the contribution of each search that construct this meta-heuristic is difficult to investigate. So the research objective is, this work is aimed to investigate several directed searches that are commonly found in some recent swamp-based meta-heuristic individually. So we go to the common search in directed search. There are 5 common search in directed search. First, the first search is the motion toward the highest quality member. This is common in many meta-heuristic. The second search is the motion relative toward a randomly chosen member. Third, the third search is the motion relative to a random solution along the space. Fourth search is the motion toward a randomly chosen higher quality member. The fifth search is the motion toward the middle among the higher quality member. So this is the illustration of the directed search. We see this is the first search. This is the member, and this is the highest quality member. So the member will move toward the highest quality member. This is the second search. Let's say this is a member, and this is another member within swarm. So a randomly chosen member is selected, for example, here. The member may move toward the chosen member or away from the chosen member, depend on the quality of the chosen member. If this random chosen member is better than this member, then the member will move toward this chosen member. Otherwise, this member will move away from this chosen member. So we go to the third. Let's say this is the solution space, or we call it space boundary. This represent two-dimensional space, for example, two-dimension problem. This is the horizontal, lower boundary, upper boundary for the horizontal, and this is the lower boundary, and this is the upper boundary of the space. So First, a random solution is selected or generated within this space. For example, here, similar to the second, the member will move toward this random solution or away from the solution. This member will move toward this random solution if this random solution is better than this member. Otherwise, this member will move away from this random solution. Like this first second search, motivation is moving toward a better member will give higher probability to make improvement. And the fourth search, like this, is randomly chosen higher quality members. So a member, this member, let's say there is a lot of several SWA member, and these three green dots represent three SWA member which are better than this member. So selected randomly chosen among these three is created, for example here, and the member will move toward this randomly chosen higher quality member. The motivation is this is a single direction because all of these three members are better than this member. Then the fifth search is the motion toward the middle among higher quality members. This is different from the fourth search. In the fourth search, we choose one randomly. But in the fifth search, we choose the middle between these two higher quality members. For example, in the SWA member, this two is better than this member, and the member will move in the middle of this average. We go to the next slide. After this fifth search, we go to the how to assess the search. First, we define the objective function, which is in this work we use 23 standard functions. It's common, which is consists of 7 high dimension unimodal function, 6 high dimension multimodal functions, and 10 fixed dimension multimodal function. Then we choose the types of search, which is the first search to second, third, fourth, or fifth. Then we set the adjusted parameter. The adjusted parameter represent in this case is the maximum iteration and the swarm number of member or the swarm size. So we run the optimization based of the type of search, the objective function, and the adjusted parameter. And then in the end, we take the final solution and the fitness score. We take 20 session for each function and for each search. And result presented like this. First search become the first rank 8 times, second rank 12 times, like this. Second search presented this. Third search like this. Third search never become the first or the second search, second rank. The fourth search, which is use a group of better solution 6 times, and in the third rank 13 times. And the fifth search, which is the middle among the higher quality member or better SWA member, become the first rank in 13 times. So we see that the fifth search become the best one, and the first search, which is moving toward the highest quality member, become the second best. This result is for the assessment is the when the maximum iteration is set to 10. So we go to the second simulation, which is the maximum iteration is 20. We see that The third search still become the worst, which is the fifth rank for 20 times. And the first search become the 7, and the second rank become 8, and fifth search 12 for the first rank, twice for the second rank, and fourth for the third rank. So we see this result. So the conclusion is below. First, the existence of the highest quality member becomes critical factor in constructing the reference. We see that the fifth search and the first search become the best, as the first search is moving toward the highest quality member, while the third search become the fifth search, which is the middle toward the higher quality member, become the second one. And the second conclusion is the searching process cannot rely on only one entity, in this case the highest quality member. So we see that in many meta-heuristic, now recent meta-heuristic employ more than single search, because like in no freelance theory, that a search has still have weakness. So we should employ more than one search, or we call it multiple search. Third, random search perform the worst, as it does not utilize the value of other member. So this is our presentation. I can stop share. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, an insight or a comment is. Thank you.